Today is June 14th, 2010, and you're watching Behind the Scenes with Mad Media. My name is Matt Martelli. I'm the creative director and founder of Mad Media. Today we're taking you behind the scenes and showing you how we build a complete marketing package with Stronghold Motorsports. Let's talk first about the client. Stronghold Motorsports is unique in that they are racing a vehicle in every class: Pro 4, Pro 2, Pro Light, and 2 Super Buggies. The team consists of former champions Robert Naughton, Marty Hart, and Chuck Cheek, as well as up-and-coming Super Buggy racer Brandon Bailey. Recently, they have added Supercross legend Jeremy McGrath to Pro 4. The Stronghold Motorsports team is the vision of Scott and Beverly Bailey and their partner Chuck Gossage. The team represents the future of motorsports, as they truly are the first off-road super team. Now let's talk about our method. First, we created a custom look and feel based on our clients' needs, as well as what's culturally relevant in the off-road market. Next, we applied the look and feel to a custom media kit. The media kit will be used to build relationships with sponsors, as well as to give media outlets a quick crash course on off-road racing. We also applied the same look and feel to a custom website that is both well-designed and functional. The Stronghold website features a custom content management system that allows them to handle updates themselves. Mad Media is unique in that we've always produced arresting imagery in both video and photography, as well as great design. So we can provide complete solutions for clients and deliver brand messaging across multiple mediums. Our goal is simple. We want to give our clients the tools that they need to market their team, as well as to attract sponsors.